Introducing the game changer in your kitchen, the Ninja Mini Air Fryer. Get ready to experience a whole new level of cooking convenience and delight. This compact powerhouse is designed to make your favorite foods irresistibly crispy and golden, all while using little to no oil. Whether it's French fries, taquitos, hot pockets, or other quick snacks, the Ninja Mini Air Fryer has got your cravings covered. Let's dive into the world of quick, healthy, and delicious cooking. Here are the key features of Ninja Af080 Mini Air Fryer. 2 quarts capacity. Crispy goodness every time. Say goodbye to the hassle of deep frying and hello to even and consistent hot air circulation. With the Ninja Mini Air Fryer's advanced technology, you can achieve that perfect crispiness and golden finish without the excess oil. From French fries that are delightfully crispy on the outside and tender on the inside to taquitos that boast a satisfying crunch, this air fryer delivers impressive results that will leave your taste buds dancing. Compact yet impressive, perfect for those with limited kitchen space or those quick food cravings. The Ninja Mini Air Fryer boasts a 2-quart capacity that can accommodate up to 1 pound of French fries, 10 taquitos, or 2 hot pockets. It's the ideal companion for small households, dorm rooms, or anyone seeking a fast and efficient way to cook up their favorites. Effortless cooking control. With the quick set timer and easy temperature control, cooking with the Ninja Mini Air Fryer couldn't be simpler. Just turn the dial to set your desired cook time, and rest assured that you'll be alerted as soon as your culinary masterpiece is ready. The consistent cooking temperature of 400 F ensures that your quick snacks or small meals are cooked to perfection every time. Healthy cravings, less fat. Indulge in your favorite comfort foods without the guilt. The Ninja Mini Air Fryer lets you enjoy all the flavors you love with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. Imagine sinking your teeth into a plate of perfectly cooked French fries, knowing that you're making a healthier choice for yourself and your loved ones. Effortless cleaning. Cooking and cleaning go hand in hand, and the Ninja Mini Air Fryer makes both tasks a breeze. The non-stick cooking basket and crisper plate ensure that your food cooks evenly and won't stick, making cleanup a snap. Spend less time scrubbing and more time savoring your culinary creations. Unboxing delight. Your Ninja Mini Air Fryer package includes everything you need to get started on your crispy cooking journey. With the 1000-watt unit, a 2-quart non-stick cooking basket, and a non-stick crisper plate, you have the tools to create culinary masterpieces in the comfort of your kitchen. Conclusion. In a world where convenience meets flavor, the Ninja Mini Air Fryer shines as a must-have kitchen companion. From its compact design to its impressive cooking capabilities, it's the answer to your quick cravings and your desire for healthier cooking options. Make the Ninja Mini Air Fryer a part of your kitchen and elevate your culinary adventures to new heights. Get ready to savor every crispy, delicious bite with the Ninja Mini Air Fryer. What are you waiting for? Embrace the future of cooking and indulge in crispy goodness with the Ninja Mini Air Fryer. Your taste buds and your kitchen will thank you.